All right, everybody, welcome to day 87 of my 100 days of eating only Keto Chow for all my meals. I just got back from LabCorp. I got my blood test done, and today is the first day of my 2 weeks of having Keto Chow with butter, salted butter to be specific, as the fat source. So up until yesterday, I'd been doing avocado oil with MCT. Previous to that, I was doing avocado oil. Previous to that, I was doing heavy cream. Now I'm starting on butter. And this will be my first time tasting in this case, it's chocolate mint with butter as the fat source. So we mixed it up last night. We used a 1 gallon water pitcher with warm water in it, 200 grams of melted butter, 3 scoops of Keto Chow, hit it with the immersion blender, blend it right up. Then we put that into blender bottles and stuck it in the fridge. Turns out when you use an immersion blender and warm water, the butter emulsifies, doesn't separate back out, even when the Keto Chow gets cold. So I just put this into the big, massive mugs that my wife bought from Sam's Club. We have like way too many of these here. Anyway, so I've got chocolate mint in there, and it's flavored with butter. So let's see what it's like. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. So this will be breakfast. For lunch, I mixed up some of the prototype tomato basil, that also with butter, so that'll be good as well. So yeah, that's what's going on. Still having more fun launching the new shopping cart. There's all sorts of interesting stuff with that. But that's just kind of my life for the next couple weeks. Yeah, anyway, I guess I'll catch you tomorrow, day 88. That'll be from my house. No cool setup with lighting and everything like that there, but anyway, see you later.